Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Tome AI to create business pitches and investor decks quickly and professionally. Let's get started. First, in Tome AI, click Create icon and type a prompt like investor pitch for eco-friendly startup, or you can tap the suggestions based on the Tome AI. And Tome generates slides with key points like market, product, and financials based on the detailed prompt. Then here you can refine content for investors. You can edit with the AI text to include your numbers, funding goals, traction, and team highlights. Add charts or graphs to make it visually persuasive, and use Tom's design suggestions to make your brand colors and keep slides clean and bold, perfect for pitching, live, or sharing via link. And that's how to make an impressive investor deck in Tome in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.